Hello and welcome back to another video. This is factorization for grade 10, and the type of factorization we'll be doing is grouping 2 to grouping. Let's go straight into an example. Now, most likely or most of the time for the easy ones, you'll have your first two that you have to group and your second two that you have to group for your four different terms. Now, when I look at this over here, I can see that I can take out a common factor of 3p and 3p. Okay, so that is what I do first and foremost, is if there are any common factors with the first two terms, I take that out. So I have 3p, and in brackets I'm left with minus b. Alright, then over here I can take out a common factor of 3 and q. 3 and q. Now, if I take out 3 and q, I'm left with minus a plus b bracket. Now, you can see that these brackets look very, very similar. Okay, and what you can do is change the signs of this bracket to look exactly the same like the first bracket. Okay, each sign is opposite. We simply take out the negative, so we have 3p a minus b. Now we have minus because we took out the negative. 3q a minus b. Now we have common brackets. We take out the common brackets, a minus b, and then what's outside is 3p and minus 3q. And then we are done.
You could actually also take out the 3 in the second bracket there as a common factor.
Let's have a look at another example. We have xy plus 3a plus 3y plus ax. Now, when you look at the first two terms, you can see that there are no common factors with the first two terms. So what we're going to do, we're going to group the terms that have common factors. So if we look at these terms, I can see that this term and that term has a common factor, right? And this term and that term has a common factor there as well. So each group has a common factor. So I take xy plus 3y plus 3a plus ax. What I've done is I've rearranged my groups. So I have the y's here, I have the a's there. Now you could ask me, what about, sir? I, I see common 3 over here, but if I look at these two, the common is x. Alright, so before we do that, let's try this one first. So we have y brackets x plus 3, that's the common factor is y, and then over there the common factor is a brackets 3 plus x. Now we can just simply rearrange. So we have y x plus 3 plus a, and since it's a positive sign in the bracket, I can write the x first and the plus 3 after that. Now these brackets look, or they are, the same. Then I can take the brackets, which is x plus 3, and then I can say y plus a. What if you took an alternative route? What if you decided to group the 3a plus the 3y and plus the xy plus the ax? In this case, you've grouped differently now. So my common factor there is 3, and we have a plus y, and our common factor there is x, and it's y plus a. Now keep in mind that over here I grouped different two terms with common factors. There was a different variation, or the word variation means a different route we can take. Again, these brackets are common, they just need to be switched around. So we have 3 a plus y plus x, a plus y. Now again we have common brackets over here. So we have a plus y, that's our common bracket, and we have 3 plus x bracket. What do you notice? This is x plus 3. That is 3 plus x. Again, I can rewrite that to be x plus 3. It's the same thing. Okay, I'm just going to put equal sign for the steps there so you can see. Then this says y plus a. This says a plus y. Again, I can rearrange. Okay, and you can see regardless of which route we took to group these terms, we got to the same answer.
And the order of the brackets doesn't matter.
Let's have a look at the last one, which you will be checking your understanding and trying for yourself. Ax squared plus y minus x minus a squared y. Try it. Send your answer into the comments. I will check it. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.